Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make passive income and how the rich make money. So with that being said, let's get started. So before we do get started, if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell because I'm posting videos every single day, so you don't want to miss any of that out, because you do want to increase your bank account number, and this is what this channel is about. So passive income. How do the rich make their money? So first of all, passive income requires being active first. So this is a great fantasy that a lot of people have, is that passive income is just something where you just ask for it and the money just flows into your bank account and you don't have to do anything about it. All you do is wait and then you have passive income. Unfortunately, that is not the way it works. That's just a fantasy and a lot of people think that's how it is. However, passive income is 100% for real. What I mean by that is you have to put in the work first, and then once you've created the work, then the money just comes in without having to do any extra work. And that's something that's really awesome because you can just sleep, go at dinner, have some food, do whatever you want, and then you will still make some money. But it's not going to be easy because you have to grow first before you actually start making passive income. So how are you going to do this? The very first thing is that you need to pick a niche. Everything that you do and what we're going to talk about in this video is going to be based around a niche. If you don't pick a niche first, you're going to be all over the place and you'll never make any money online. So you first have to pick a niche. So what niche are you going to do? That really depends on what you enjoy and what you can teach. I've said this in plenty of other videos. You have to really be interested in what you're going to do because it will take some work to get it going first. So you really have to be interested in what you do and also be able to teach it. And if you're telling me that you don't know anything about anything, then that's not a problem, because what you do is there's this great tool on the internet called YouTube and there's this other tool called Google. Those two things will help you know about anything as long as you put your mind to it. So you first have to put your mind to it and then be able to make that income. So you have to pick a niche, learn about it, turn around and teach about it. And even if that video is on YouTube, it doesn't matter. You can still turn around and do something about it and teach it, because I can guarantee even what I'm talking about right now is on YouTube or on Google, and so does everyone that makes a single video or blog post or whatever you want to call it. They all, or whatever you want to do, they all have some similar content that talks about the same things. So once you've picked that niche, you have to create an audience. And that's the hardest part of it, especially if you have no money, because if you have some money, you can spend some money on ads. But if you're just starting out, I highly suggest that you don't, because you'll just blow all your money and you will not grow an audience. Because even though paid ads do work, it does take some learning. So if you don't want to just blow your money first, you want to first start to build your audience and then start spending some money to grow it even better. But at the beginning, you don't have any money and you still want to grow your audience. So how do you do that? You have to create valuable content. So that's the very first thing that I talked about, is you have to create a YouTube video or a blog. You have to use one of these two, because if you know Facebook marketing, then great, do that, but you have to do that all the time, and we're talking about passive income right now, so it's not the best thing to do unless you don't really care about passive income. And Facebook is very powerful. If you have money, if you know how to grow it, then by all means go to Facebook. You can do that on Instagram as well, but Instagram is very, very difficult to actually convert in sales. So that's going to be a hard one as well, even though some people make a decent amount of money, because if you really know how to build an Instagram account to like 10,000 people or 100,000 people, then this can be helpful. But if you don't, just stick to Facebook or creating a blog. Now, on these things, you are going to have to like post all the time. And what I mean by posting all the time is every single day, without sacrificing the quality. And I feel like I'm repeating myself from another video, but this is very important. If like I put out videos every single day, but I do not sacrifice the quality. If you're going to sacrifice the quality for quantity, then it's not a good idea. You really have to put as much effort as you can into one video and then just post it. However, if you're just a perfectionist and you feel like it takes a month before you actually start to like post your video or your blog post, then it's not a good idea. You have to do that at least 3 times a week, but that's a bare minimum. If you post less than that, then you really need to get to work. So the more you post, the more you're going to grow, but if you sacrifice the quality, you're not going to grow as fast. So why do I choose a blog post or YouTube? Even though I talked about a few of these points, there's another thing. That other thing is searchable, and that's why I talk about passive income. Because if you create some YouTube videos and they do alright, and by the way, your first videos will probably not work, so you'll have to put some work before you actually get that passive income. I just want to get that through to you, because it's not that easy, otherwise everybody would be doing it. Now, with that being said, once you have some videos and you start growing, then your first videos will start to make some money, even though you haven't touched them in a long time, because you're making sales from them. Because what you're going to do is, once you start to grow an audience, what you're going to do is you're going to give them some affiliate links. Now, there's some other videos on my channel on how to get the best results for your affiliate links, and like I talk about creating an email list and things like that, but I won't go into that in this video. If you want to learn more, there's a ton of other videos about this, but this is how you're going to make some sales. You're going to give them some affiliate links or your own products. That works as well. But this channel is about how to make passive income, so you don't want to like have to deal with customer service and all these things. All you have to do is you just send them to an affiliate link, and that's how you will make passive income. So this was the video for today. There's some other things that go into that, but this video would have to be like 10 hours long. So make sure that you do watch my other videos. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because I'm posting videos every single day, as I said, so you don't want to miss them out. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.